This is a weather alert from the 13 Weather Center.
I'm Chief Meteorologist Eric Sorensen here in the Weather Center. Gretchen Ross and I are continuing to follow and track this winter storm as it continues to move through the area now. We are seeing reports more numerous now of freezing rain versus sleet. Now, what is the difference? Sleet is when you have the frozen pellets that are falling from the ground. But out here west of the Rockford area, just north of Winnebago, we're seeing more of a freezing rain. That's where liquid rain is falling down and freezing on contact. In fact, we've had many satellite dishes in the back of the TV station now completely covered with ice. So hopefully it will not affect any of our transmission, but we do have crews out there that are getting the ice off of the satellite dishes. So this is an amazing situation that's taking place right now. We look off towards the south and the west, and there is a little bit of good news. It's coming several hours away, but there will be improvement as we go into the late night hours. You see cars moving very, very slowly. You're looking live at the State Street Bridge over downtown Rockford. Hey guys, can we go out to Magic Waters? We've got our camera there hooked up as well as we look out towards Interstate 39 at its junction with Interstate 90. You can see there are very few cars out there. The camera lens is actually covered with ice as well. That ice will continue as we go through the afternoon and evening, so if you've got travel plans, you want to kind of postpone those until we get into the overnight hours. Prepare for power failures. Paul Callahan from ComEd says they are working on numerous power outages in small locations, not widespread outages, because we haven't seen that freezing rain just yet. Look at this, though. We do have some good news. We're at or below freezing everywhere, so anything that falls is going to freeze on contact. However, we have noticed the temperatures come up just a little bit. 32 now in Freeport, 32 out in Savannah. If we can get these numbers to come up one more degree for those of you in Stevenson and Carroll counties, that means that we're going to be in better shape. We need these temperatures to come up above that magic number of 32. Trees beginning to weigh down a little bit, so says Anthony Parks. This was on his deck. In fact, you can see about a quarter-inch thick. It's the ice here into Franklin Grove. That was just about an hour ago. And up in Durand, they're noticing the sleet. This picture taken from Ike Hansen up there in the town of Durand. Go to our weather blog at WREX.com. We'd like to see your viewer photos as well. Winter weather warnings continue here with a winter storm warning, which will go until midnight. The National Weather Service believes it'll take probably that long until we get those temperatures above freezing. So stay home if you can and continue to watch the storm for you right here on 13 News. And don't forget, we're always blogging about the weather at WREX.com.